Mini back-to-school guide. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be shorter than usual. However, I hope it is still helpful. School supplies. Extra necessities. Buy cute backpacks, stationery, and even notebooks to mark school more fun. Stationery Pal is the perfect place to buy cute stationery, notebooks, backpacks, and even pencil cases. Studying can be very hard and tiring. Here's some study tips to make it feel easier. Create an aesthetic and chill study playlist of songs. I recommend choosing songs with no lyrics. This makes it less distracting and more relaxing. Changing up your studying environment is a great way to experience new things and leave a space that stresses you out. I recommend going to a cafe, library, or a park. Creating or joining a study group is another fun way to socialize and study. Creating or joining a study group also gives you a chance to have people to help you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and sorry for the kind of short video this week.